Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple, and quick to make earring. And I even made a matching ring. So let's begin. Our materials. I have seed beads. I have 3 sizes. I have 11/0, 8/0, and 15/0. I also have O beads. This is mixed color and superduo. I also need earring hooks, and I'm using my size 11 beading needle. And for this project I'm gonna use this thread. So let's begin. First I pick up 6 super duos and 6 O beads, and I put it alternate. O beads, super duo, O beads. So I'm going to pass through the beads. So I pick up my O bead, 15, 8, 15 in O bead, 15, O bead 15, 8, 15 in O bead, pass through, O bead, 15, 8, 15 in O bead, O bead, 15, 8, 15, O bead, and I will continue adding. So this is my last set of O bead, 15, 8, 15 and O bead, pass through, exit to 8, O beads, O bead, super duo, O bead, 8, O bead, super duo, O bead, 8, O bead, super duo, and O bead. So pass through, so then it creates a triangle shape, then pass through, So I'm picking up O bead and 7 of my size 11O seed bead. O bead and 11O, 7 of my 11O and O bead, then pass through. This is very easy to make, quick and easy. So I'm going to just mix up some couple of knots before I cut my thread. And guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. It's easy, it's done. Hope you like it, guys. And this is the ring. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.